Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can clear data or clear cache, how you can free your storage of unwanted cache from other apps or taking high MB or GB in your games, how you can clear cache. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the settings option and then you have to go to apps icon. Here it all your apps, then go to app management. Here you can choose any one of app and then go to storage usage, and here are two options: clear cache and clear data. Clear data is that when you just clear all your data in that particular app. You can choose clear cache also. If it is 0p, then it's okay, and you can choose another app like this, Chrome. Go to storage usage and then clear cache. 551 MB is cleared. This is how you can clear your storage like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.